So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the haircut, right?
Okay.
Are we going to do this haircut similar to what you have, like this style, like this? Is that what you want? Like short
Whatever
here?
you think is gonna look the best.
Okay. Okay, this system is what we call the hybrid system, because it has like two type of material. It has lace, French lace in the middle, and it has polyurethane membrane all around. So because we are doing ghost bone in the front and in the back, because as you can see there is more silicone, more poly exposed, here we have to put tape. Just remember, because you have been wearing hair from before, like never do this, just do this.
Yeah.
Never against the scalp, okay? You bring it down with a blow dryer, or you can put gel on it, like they say, like oil, or you can have it.